Performance, resources, and time to market optimized with smart integration. Meet the new Sync It All Pro, an exclusive package of electronic components designed to work in sync. Embraco Sync Pro controller, Embraco Flow Pro fan pack, and Embraco Air Pro EC motor, Embraco variable speed compressor, and U-Control development interface with Pro features. An ecosystem built with one purpose: to simplify the entire product lifecycle from development and manufacturing to usage in the field. A compact solution with one controller managing up to 16 loads, extending its coverage to larger applications with multi-circuits. An accelerated time to market with a one-stop shop supplier, and a single development tool for multiple components. An improved performance with superior energy savings and temperature stability, provided by advanced logics for variable speed loads.
Inventory simplification with a full portfolio that are suitable for a wide range of applications.
This is smart integration that simplifies, connects, and unlocks unbeatable value from engineers to end users. Sync It All Pro. Sync like a pro.